Dylan, what have you made for us today?
Well, today we have some sloppy joes paired with our 100% full-blood Wagyu beef.
So that's tasty and healthy because
Well, it's got a higher concentration of omega-3s than a lot of other options for beef. So that's your monounsaturated fats, good, clean, healthy fats.
okay, and that's the same thing that gives it all that flavor, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. The high concentration of the omega-3s, which is the fat, the more fat, the more flavor you have, and then the dry aging process also helps yield a very delicious taste.
Okay, so you have created a pretty neat combination here, starting with your basic recipe. What did you do?
Well, we started off, we browned our ground beef, and then we added our Red Fork Sloppy Joe skillet sauce, and it calls for 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. And so, what I like to do, instead of doing all 8 ounces of tomato sauce, did 4 ounces of that and 4 ounces of our local Chili Slinger barbecue sauce. So it kind of brings a little sweeter flavor to the Sloppy Joe. If you want the more smoky tomato taste, then just use the tomato sauce.
So that made a really good sloppy joe with a nice tang with that sauce in there.
Yes, it did.
Sweet
And
tang.
you can find all these ingredients here at Green Acres. Stop in, pick it up today, and whip up some Sloppy Joes for dinner tonight.